When I make this sardines recipe, there is nothing left. Start by taking 120 g of sardines and, with the help of a sieve, separate the liquid and knead the sardines. Look at this texture. Now, add 2 units of eggs, salt to taste, pepper from the kingdom and mix everything with great enthusiasm. Let's make this amazing mixture. Then add half a unit of chopped onion and 1 unit of chopped tomatoes. How about some chives to taste? Mix everything and feel the aromas invading the kitchen. Then add the sardines to the seasoning mix. Look how everything comes together in a symphony of flavors. Heat a frying pan with a tablespoon of milk butter and pour the mixture. Arrange well and leave on low heat for 5 minutes. The smell will make you water in your mouth. Turn carefully and add Parmesan cheese to taste. That's right, take care. Let it melt for a minute to create an irresistible crunch. And here it is. Our sensational sardine snack is ready to be served. A real delight. Did you like this recipe? Then like and share our video to get more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you for the next culinary adventure.